Today we are going to have a taste of African cuisine at this restaurant by the name of Swahili Village. Swahili Village restaurants were born with a bold vision to embody the rich cultural tradition of African cuisine, yet serve and plate your experience to fit a modern fine dining experience. Meals here are cooked with fresh ingredients, farmed spices, no preservatives, and everything is cooked from scratch. That is the way it's done in Africa, and that is the way it is done at Swahili Village. So guys, welcome back to IvainTures. So one thing about hosting Mawa, it's interesting to see his food habits. It's close to 2 o'clock and all this man had was tea, man.
Man, I feel like falling down. But again, I'm having some hope because today we are going to a Swahili restaurant.
Yeah, to a Kenyan restaurant by the name of...
Oh, it's a Kenyan restaurant?
It's a Kenyan restaurant by the name of Swahili Village.
Okay.
That's what you speak in Kenya, right? Swahili?
Yeah, Swahili.
All right.
Like habari yako, hali vipi kaka.
All right.
Yeah. Hali vipi kaka is how is everything, my brother. Kaka means brother.
Brother, okay.
Or ndugu. It could mean uncle.
All right. We're going to check out some traditional Kenyan food.
I'm also seeing a lot of black people here, you know?
Yeah, this is Prince George's County still.
Okay.
It's the same county. It's the largest black county in the United States.
All right.
So where we are, you always see people like us.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. So that's Swahili Village, guys. Swahili Village. If you're interested, I'm going to show you the menu and I'm going to show you what they have over here. So let's go check it out. So guys, this is Swahili Village and we just entered. It was a little bit intimidating coming here with our cameras. The manager was about to kick us out, but we survived the interrogation and now we're about to check out some of the food. All right. So how do you feel right now?
Man, this feels home. Especially look at this view. You see this view, the way I'm looking at it? Yes. For me, I feel like I'm somewhere in Nairobi in a restaurant.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Let's check it out, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna get ugali and beef. Guys, what you say, suya?
Suya.
Choma.
Yes.
Yeah. Suya means nyama choma here.
Yeah, I love that. So here we have. What's your name?
My name is Nigel.
Nigel.
But I have a YouTube channel named Mo Sun.
Mo Sun. Okay. How long have you been working here?
I've been here for about 2 years now.
Nice. And you were born in the U.S., but you're originally from Kenya?
No, I was born in Ireland, and then I moved here when I was like 2 years old.
Okay. So what's the most ordered dish here? What is the one plate that people just can't get enough of?
You know what's funny? It actually depends on the location. So we actually have 3 locations. We have one in DC, and then we have one in Newark, New Jersey.
Okay.
This one right here is our Beltsville, Maryland location.
Yeah.
But I'd say, me personally, I get a lot of orders of like the nyama choma, which is just grilled beef. It's really, really good.
What do you know about that one?
Nyama choma is just grilled meat.
Yes.
And sometimes the goat one could be so sweet. You know, they grill it and it turns like kind of pinkish red.
Yes.
You know, my friend, if you eat that with ugali, and there's something called kachumbari. You guys have it?
Yes, sir.
Like where you cut tomatoes.
So that's the main one, huh? The main plate.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, we're waiting for our food, man. Thank you for taking care of us,
no
man.
problem at all. No problem. Then I'll be right back with your drinks for you guys.
Sounds good, sir. Thank you. So here we are, out here with Mawa, about to eat traditional Kenyan food. Because otherwise, Mawa, he eats like a bird. You know, he wake up, tea, 2 o'clock, he's not even hungry, man. He's so small, this guy.
No.
Man.
Actually, I could eat a lot, but I'm just very careful with what I eat.
Yeah.
That's because I don't eat stuff. Then after 3 months, I can't even move. I can't do this because my body does not. Actually, I try as much as possible to protect my body as much as in terms of food.
Makes sense.
Yes.
As a traveler,
I'm a traveler.
Yeah.
So as a traveler, you wanna take care of your body as much as
you can.
Yes.
I was just gonna say that, you know, sometimes, you know, you have the time difference. You just wanna grab something and eat.
Yeah,
and
that's one thing I realized in America. In America, people want just to have something to put in their stomach. But me, I refuse to do that.
Yeah. You're very careful. You eat a lot of healthy things. And you like to cook as well.
Yeah, I cook actually.
Yes.
Like now we bought something, we're gonna cook in the house.
Cook in the house later. All right. So guys, I'm gonna show you the menu here at Swahili Village, and they do have 3 locations. One is in New Jersey, the other one in DC, and this is the Maryland location. All right. So this is the menu, and I want Mawa to maybe talk about some of the items that you see here. Does that look like traditional things that you would find in Kenya?
So okay, so it depends.
These are
choose
the
randomly.
Yeah, let's go on the entrees, for example. You know, so we can look at the chicken, fish, and all these different.
Yeah, this
goat.
is purely Kenyan.
Yeah.
Because like this, these are plantains.
Yes.
But you know, in my home we don't call them plantains. We call them bananas.
Bananas.
Actually.
Yes.
Yes, and yeah, this is very normal. This is veg, and this is purely a Swahili cuisine. Like they are not playing sideways.
Yes.
No, they are inside.
Yeah.
You see, like this, they say curry chicken.
Yes.
In Swahili, they say kuku curry, but we don't actually call it curry in Kenya. We just say kuku. Kuna kuku.
Okay.
So kuku means chicken.
Yes.
So it depends. Sometimes now, if I'm ordering in Kenya,
yeah.
I can say kuku kienyeji,
yeah.
which means the very organic chicken.
Yeah.
Or broiler, which people don't really like.
Right.
At the same time, the waiter will ask me which type of chicken do you want, so I can say now I want like curry, or I want like roasted.
Yes.
I want something like that, or
okay.
soup, like
soup.
chicken leg with a lot of soup inside.
Okay.
Just drink.
Right on. All right, and what do you think of the prices? So for a plate of suya beef, you're looking at about $30 American. For a whole tilapia fish, you're looking at our drinks are here. All right, he's getting a smoothie. And I'm getting just, this is a ginger beer. All right. Sounds good, sir. Thank you.
Anything else I can get you guys for now? You guys okay?
We're okay for now. Thank you so much.
You've already ordered, right?
Yes, we already ordered.
Okay.
Yeah. So we were talking about a plate of samaki filet, $29. So it looks like everything is ranging between $30 and $40, man. What do you think of that?
So in Kenya, it depends where you are.
Yeah.
You could also pay expensive or cheap. So for example, if you're eating in a 5-star hotel in Kenya, you could pay very expensive. Like now, when I had a visitor from Switzerland visit me, I took her to a place we call Kibanda. Kibanda is the very, very local one.
Yeah.
There you can spend $1 or $2 to eat the exact food I'm seeing here for $29. Yes. Like this tilapia, whole tilapia. Yeah. Whole tilapia in Kenya can't cost you more than $10. It's 1,200 Kenyan shillings. Yeah. Definitely different. Can't cost you more than that. Yes. Yeah. The cost of living is different for sure. Yes. But the menu is very nice, right? I mean, they have a lot of everything, and I think that Mawa is satisfied with what he finds here. No, they have everything like ndengu, lentils, you see. Mokimo. Mokimo is the most like typical total African food you can find. Wow. In Kenya, for example. Yes. It's like the one which was being prepared. It's like ugali, like forever it's been there. Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right. Yeah, they even have chapatis, bro. Yeah, they have everything. Yeah, they have everything. I can't wait to see what a food actually looks like. You see, like here they say corn fufu, but they call it ugali. Corn fufu, ugali. Okay. Yeah. And that's what we need. If we do make it to that grocery store, we're gonna get some corn flour. Yeah. And guys, you might be blessed with the cooking ugali with Ayamawa video. I'll cook. Wow. This is the suya or? This is mawa. This is mawa. Oh wow. Do you guys like sell hot plate? It's very this hot. Is the suya. Actually wow. Hey, thank you so much. One more thing. Could I get like an extra ugali? Two of them. Yes. Yeah. Just ugali, the ugali themselves. So our food has just arrived. Mawa, can you talk to us about this? What did you order? I ordered ugali, nyama, and sukuma wiki. All right. So this is the most typical like good food in Kenya. Yeah. Let's say if you have money, not even have money, like if you're just feeling like you're hungry and you wanna eat a little well. Yeah. Because otherwise you'll only eat ugali and sukuma wiki. But in this case, if you add nyama, it means you're rich. All right. Yes. Not really rich, but you know you've upgraded. Yes. I'm telling you, on a normal basis. Yeah. You'll just eat ugali and sukuma wiki. Yeah. But adding nyama is now like the thing. Yeah. And guys, I ordered a plate of suya, and in Cameroon, when we say soya, we just refer to
basically fried beef. But Mawa told me this is different in Kenya. This plate is plantain, rice, and how did you describe?
It's nyama. It's beef. Nyama, which means beef.
Okay.
Nyama actually means meat.
Yes.
So it could be anything. So you have to be very particular when you're saying in Swahili.
Yes.
You say nyama ya ng'ombe.
Yeah.
That means beef. If you say ng'ombe means cow,
yeah,
or bull or anything, you know.
Yes.
If you say mbuzi means goat.
Okay.
If you say ngamia means camel. So you have to be very specific. Nyama ya, like which meat do you want?
Yes.
It can be nyama ya kuku, which means chicken.
Yes. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in.
Yeah.
All right. Sumo ugali. Sounds good. Well,
Anything else I can get for you guys?
I think we're good, man. Do you need anything else, Dylan?
No.
All right.
I'm good.
All right. Thank you so much. Sounds good. So Mawa went to wash his hands. So I'm about to take a bite out of my food here. I really like rice. I love the plantains, and definitely this beef is off the chain. So let me try the rice a little bit. Delicious. I can feel all the spices. And now, the main item here for me, the meat. All right, let's try to mix these two together. From Maryland, guys, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for hitting that like button. I appreciate you. Bon appetit. What do you think?
Oh, it's really, really good.
Yeah?
Soya.
Yeah, really good meat.
Really good meat.
Yeah. So guys, I can't begin to tell you how delicious this food is. It's so good that Mawa is already saying that he wants to come back here. Isn't that right?
After 2 days for sure.
So guys,
I'll miss this food.
you're gonna miss it, right? And this is a taste of home.
Yeah, but actually they put huge plates. It's
Yeah.
no joke. The only thing they put small is the ugali itself.
Yeah.
It's very small portion.
Yes.
But it's okay. American standard. I'm not complaining.
Yes. And for those of you who don't know what ugali is, this is ugali. This is ugali. And Mawa is keeping it traditional by eating with his hands. Amazing.
I couldn't survive without eating with hands because you have to do it like this. Do like this. This is a pot you create. So this pot picks the meat, and maybe you can add a little bit of veg like this. You see? Then.
That's what's up. So if you follow Mawa, I'm sure you've seen him eat thousands of times ugali, and it is something I always wanted to do, is to bring him in this restaurant so he can try the Kenyan food in the state of Maryland. So guys, from wherever you're watching this,
You should have
cheers.
ordered ugali actually.
I'm sorry, what?
You should have ordered ugali.
Next time I will. So the damage is done. The food is amazing. Mawa emptied his whole plate, man. What do you think?
I'm finishing up.
Wow.
In my home, they don't like when you lick your fingers.
Yes.
Because they believe you may bring hunger to your home.
Oh.
Or when you eat from the cooking pot.
Yes.
Those are like beliefs we have.
Yes.
So technically, it was very, very nice. I don't even have to speak.
Yes.
You can see the plate for yourself.
Yes.
I had missed this food. Imagine I've been out of home now 5 days.
Yeah.
But man, I ate this food like it was my last meal.
Wow. Yeah, you tore everything up, man. I'm glad you liked it, though.
Yeah.
It's good. How does it compare to food in Kenya? Pretty close to the taste?
Out of 10, it's a 9.
Okay.
So the only thing that I found different here was the skuma wiki.
Yeah.
It's just a little bitter.
Bitter, yeah.
So probably it's because of the environment they grow them,
Yes.
things like that.
All right.
But everything else was purely Kenyan.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
So guys, this is gonna be a place that we're gonna be exploring again, myself and Mawa.
Yeah,
I'm
maybe
sure.
next time I come, I'll eat ugali and something. But at least I have to eat ugali because I know for the next 6 months to see ugali around me,
It'll be a little bit
it's
difficult.
very rare. Rare occasion.
All right, so shout out to a taste of Kenya, and we certainly will be back here again. This is an amazing restaurant that I highly recommend to anyone. Did you like your food, Dylan? Alright, I'll stay
There's
there.
something you missed out on the door. From the outside it says Karibu, which means welcome. And right now from here you can see they say Asante. You always hear me say Asante.
Asante, yeah.
Asante means thank you.
Okay, we're gonna get
But
that.
if you wanna say thank you so much, you
Yeah.
say Asante San.
Asante Sana.
Asante San.
Alright, guys. Alright. Guys, Asante Sana. $155. That's the damage. Slightly more than you will pay in the streets of Nairobi, isn't it?
Technically, the tip is more than the amount of money you would spend in Kenya.
For the meal?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you guys
Thank
so
you.
much. It was a pleasure having you guys here today.
Oh,
you guys have
thank
a
you,
blessed
man.
rest of your
I'll
day.
watch my next video probably tomorrow.
Subscribe.
So, alright. We stay in touch, man.
No, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Alright. We're checking out. Living as a bachelor, you have to get in the kitchen and cook yourself. So some of the ingredients that we need, like plantains and some particular pieces of chicken, like chicken gizzard, which I know a lot of people in the US don't consume necessarily, or even chicken hearts. You know, this is not something that you can find in traditional grocery store. So Mawa wanted some plantains and some items that we're gonna be cooking. Wow, look, for those of you who don't eat this stuff, you even have chicken feet. Chicken feet, which I've never made, but I would love to. He wants to make ugali. We're looking for corn flour. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to find it, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. So right now I'm just picking up a few ingredients, and then we'll be out on the way trying to organize everything and make our food, guys. So that's what it is. That's what it is. Walking around the store right now. Oh, who's Mawa? Did you find what you were looking for?
Yeah, you know, actually it's very confusing, so you have to be very careful when you want to buy, like, you know, for us we say maize flour.
Yes.
You guys say maize flour.
Yeah,
So when you're looking for, especially the white one,
yeah,
and we realize it's very expensive, it's $7.
yes.
Imagine this is $7.
Yeah.
In my home, $7, bro, it's this times 5.
Wow.
Maybe
yeah.
this is America, but I didn't expect like even flour
to be more
that
expensive here. Yeah, everything will be more expensive here, but I'm glad that you found it though, so we can make it. Is that all we need for ugali or something
Yeah,
else?
this is all we need for
That's all we
ugali.
need for ugali. Okay, and then I picked up some meat, and then guys, Mao is gonna make us some ugali. Not necessarily today.
No,
We're
tomorrow.
gonna organize everything and make sure that he's ready to roll. I want to bring you guys this content.
I'm so shocked. This is one banana in the US.
Yeah.
You know, some people may think we are zooming in, but this is my hand. And look,
Wow, it's a big one, man. I've never seen that before.
like you can't see my hand from the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is my other hand.
Yeah. Yeah, funny. Exploring the international market with Ayamawa and discovering a lot of foreign items.
Let me take a picture of this banana.
Alright.
This is quite abnormal. We will not make it even tomorrow because
Yeah.
tomorrow we have the other fruit that we want to.
Exactly. So it could be the day after. Either way, you're gonna see that soon. Alright guys, cheers.
Girl, you got the whole town screaming, hey, faut danser, faut bouger, danser, faut bouger, danser, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming.